find y'all partner. Keep your standards high, okay? And if it's someone that's showing red flags, just leave, okay? Period. I don't care. It could be the smallest red flag. You are not meant to fix them. Walk away. Because when I tell you, my husband didn't have red flags. He had red flags to other people. But to me, I knew they were not red flags for me.
Porsha's recent comments on her spouse, Simon, not displaying any concerning signs are alarmingly naive, particularly when considering the unfolding controversy. For those not in the loop, Porsha's husband, Simon, a Nigerian entrepreneur, has a significant history of legal and financial issues. This situation is akin to a real-life saga mirroring a dramatic series from TikTok, highlighting the shocking realities of whom one might end up marrying. To elaborate, Simon has been accused of deceit and infidelity, presenting himself as the epitome of warning signs for years. Astonishingly, he engaged a dubious PR firm to inflate his financial status. This firm, devoid of scruples, would publish any claims provided the payment was right, allowing Simon to fabricate his wealth and feign verification through supposed scrutiny of his financial documents. Further investigations have uncovered that Simon's business website was nothing more than a generic template, lacking any genuine information about his professional endeavors, essentially exposing his business claims as fraudulent. Diving deeper, by 2021, Simon was entangled in financial liabilities, including 21 liens, 9 judgments, and 2 loans from PNC Bank for his Rolls-Royces, not to mention substantial IRS arrears and multiple Chapter 11 bankruptcy filings, one in 2014 due to his failing businesses, accumulating $3.8 million in debt, and rumors of another bankruptcy filing in 2021 concerning his restaurant and club venture. These revelations, readily accessible through public records, beg the question of Porsha's awareness of Simon's tumultuous history, especially given her assertion of his clean slate. This skepticism is further fueled by the couple's controversial union, which was quick to follow Simon and his ex-wife Phelan Pina's divorce announcement in April 2021, despite Porsha and Simon's intimate involvement since at least September 2020, a period during which Simon was not exclusively involved with Porsha, as demonstrated by Jessica Harris's claims of her own relationship with Simon, initiated in March 2021, based on their text exchanges suggesting a potential future together post-divorce, only for her to discover his engagement to Porsha.
How'd you find love while you're over here whipping me around in that Ferrari going 100 miles an hour and hair all over the place, got me looking crazy on these pictures? How you do that?
As much as Jessica was getting a lot of heat at the time, I can say she really did try to warn people about Simon's character, or lack thereof all.
All it was just like, you're a fraud. We're watching you on your live, talking about your wife, how she cheated, she does drugs, which I can address that later. And you're in all this kind of stuff when you're doing the same thing, you know? It's like you're a hypocrite and you're a fraud, and I don't like that.
Still on those red flags, back in 2022, Porsha proudly flaunted Simon's extravagant gift, a $300,000 car, on Instagram, complete with photos of her posing alongside the vehicle adorned with an orange interior and a sizable red bow on the hood. However, eagle-eyed fans swiftly recalled a similar sight from August 2020 when Simon's ex-wife, Phelan, also showcased herself next to a Rolls-Royce sporting an orange interior. The question naturally arose, did Simon gift Porsha the same car he gave Phelan? Despite Simon's denial of such duplication, the uncanny similarity raised eyebrows, especially considering both cars' financial entanglements with PNC Bank in 2021. But wait, there's more to this saga. Simon's fraudulent dealings extend beyond lavish gifts and into a tangled web of deceit spanning decades. Court documents recently unearthed shed light on Simon's dubious history, tracing back to 1982 when he first entered the country on a visitor's visa, only to depart in 1985 following numerous run-ins with law enforcement, including credit card fraud charges. His subsequent return to the U.S. saw a litany of legal troubles, from felony offenses like bank and credit card fraud to unauthorized vehicle use and identity fraud, resulting in deportation orders and eventual physical removal from the country in 1992. Yet, Simon's persistence in circumventing the law persisted. Under the guise of the Special Agricultural Worker (SAW) program, he re-entered the U.S. using a different identity, ultimately obtaining permanent resident status through deceitful means, including falsified information on his application regarding his criminal history and marital status. Despite multiple denials of his naturalization applications and ongoing legal battles, Simon's fate appears sealed. Deportation looms large. As for Porsha, she finds herself tethered to Simon's tumultuous journey, possibly anticipating the fallout of his impending deportation. Her return to Real Housewives of Atlanta could serve as a financial lifeline amidst the looming uncertainty surrounding Simon's legal woes. With Simon's shady past now laid bare, questions abound regarding Porsha's awareness of these public revelations and the future of their relationship. Will she stand by him in the face of impending deportation, or will she sever ties once the dust settles? Only time will tell in this riveting real-life drama unfolding before our eyes. If you found today's video insightful and you're keen on staying up to date with more fascinating celebrity tales, hidden industry secrets, and all the spicy drama from the world of showbiz, make sure you hit that subscribe button below.